So I've got my transcription partially done, and I'm just going to do a couple more lines to show how Clan's annotation system works. So I've got this far, and you can see these little stops. They are markers. If I expand them, expand bullets, you'll see that they're time markers. And you can insert them, or you can use them to go back to bits of audio. So if I hold down the control key and triple click, I'll get my yeah, which is the last thing I coded. So now what I want to do is move on to the next bit. So here's my yeah. Now I want and he painted something, it was unclear, and this is the same, this is straight from the BNC transcription. So let's have a listen. Okay, so there's my yeah, pause, and he paints as well, isn't it? The sun there in Rapperswil, which thanks to Google I've managed to find out is a Swiss place name. So I'm just going to listen to that one more time by holding down the control key and pressing. And he paints as well, isn't it? The sun then in Rapperswil, and then I can mark this off by selecting that terrible, I need to sort of get rid of that. So once I've selected that area of audio, it's not displaying perfectly, but you get the idea. This bit should be black as well. I'm going to hold down Control I, and that will insert a time marker that will allow me to go back to this. And now I just want the terrible, which seems to have been coded correctly, so I think it's that. Terrible, got it. Control I. Now I want to put in some overlap markers, because it's the last bit of Rapperswil. There's an overlap, so I just hold down F1 open square bracket, and that's in that L seal sign. And then I want to match that with an onset marker, so hold down the F1 key again and shift open square bracket, and it creates this symbol. And I'll align these. You can see that there's a couple more, such as an open bracket there and here. I can align those later with a different component of Clan. So that's my little bit of annotation done. I'm just going to hold down the control key and double click on these to just check them. Okay, I think that's pretty good, and that's pretty good too. So there we go.